Penny, horticulturalist at Holland Bulbs. Spring is a terrific time to get your garden plans in order, including your fruit and vegetable garden. Growing fruits and vegetables in your garden is rewarding, healthy, and a continuous learning experience. Did you know that many fruit and vegetable plants can be grown from a bulb, such as a tuber or a dormant root? Potatoes are one of the most popular vegetables for eating and can easily be grown in any size garden. Potatoes are grown from a tuber, which is a type of bulb and can be planted in the ground or even in a container. Onions are another popular vegetable. Nearly every recipe uses onions in some way. Onions are another vegetable that you can easily grow in your garden from a bulb. Asparagus is a long-lived perennial that once planted will return to your garden for years. It is easy to grow from roots. Strawberries are one of our favorite fruits. They can easily be grown from roots in your garden, strawberry planters, or hanging planters. Growing fruits and vegetables in your garden is healthy, as you know where your food came from and how it was handled. It is rewarding to plant something in the ground and within weeks see the results of fresh food on your table. It can be a fun family project that teaches your family more about where their food comes from and the joys of planting a garden.